Do you know many people are having trouble locating their car's radio fuse? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off electronics. Turn off the ignition and ensure all electronic devices in your car are switched off. This prevents any electrical mishaps while you work. Step 2. Locate fuse panel. Find the fuse panel on the driver's side, located at the lower left part of the dashboard. Step 3. Identify fuse. Look for the fuse labeled IT/CLOCK10A, which controls the audio system, among other functions. Step 4. Remove fuse. Using a fuse puller, carefully remove the fuse from its slot to check its condition. Step 5. Check fuse. Examine the fuse to see if the wire inside is broken or melted. This indicates the fuse is blown and should be replaced. Step 6. Replace fuse. Replace any blown fuse with a new 10A fuse to restore radio functionality. Following these steps, you should now be able to locate and replace the radio fuse in your Hyundai Sonata. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Hyundai users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.